Welcome to our tutorial on how to allow others to share your posts to their stories on Facebook PC. Let's begin. Step 1. Open Facebook by launching your web browser and navigating to facebook.com. Step 2. Click on your profile picture located in the top right corner of the Facebook homepage. This will take you to your profile. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings and Privacy. Step 4. Select Settings from the options provided. Step 5. On the left-hand side, click on Privacy. Step 6. Locate and click on Profile and Tagging. Step 7. Look for the option. Allow others to share your post to their story and toggle the switch next to it to the on position. By following these simple steps, you have successfully allowed others to share your posts to their stories on Facebook PC. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks on using Facebook. Enjoy expanding the reach of your posts through story sharing.